here I am going to write a text. I will teach you how you can add a text into your design. We will align it there and change the color of the text. So there are some options we can apply there. Make and change the style of the text. Make it black. It's an horizontal distortion. Vertical as well. Make a fish rise. It's an okay there. Hide the paint. We will change it and make a different layer style there.